How to create an avatar with Instagram. Welcome everyone to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Instagram application. Make sure that you have updated your Instagram app and you are currently logged in. If you do not have this application, check out your App Store or Play Store and install it. Once you are logged in into Instagram application, to create an avatar, tap on your user icon at the bottom. Select Edit Profile. Tap on Avatar. Select the Avatar tab, then head to Edit Avatar. Now once you are in here, you can edit or you can make your own avatar selecting from your appearance, your clothing and more. In here, you can select your own hairstyle, eyebrows, eye color, and more. If you select on the store option, you will find various of outfit pieces that you can get it together to create a beautiful outfit. You can also add in your closet if you want to. Once you are done with it, you can just tap on the save icon, which is at the very top, and your avatar will be saved. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.